Welcome to Chohe Adventures. On this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this Be Strong rock. It's really simple and easy to do. I started by coating the rock with white paint, and then I started to do the letters with pencil to see the position of the letters, as I always do with all my videos. The paints that I use for this rock are very basic. For this rock I use 6 different colors. I always try to make them very basic so it's easy for you to make. I use red, yellow, blue, green, white and black. The light green I made it with mixing white and green. I recommend you to use the folk art acrylic paints. You can find it at Michael's, Joann's or any other craft stores. But I'm going to leave the descriptions below if you are interested on knowing which paints are used and other stuff that I have used in the past on my art and craft videos. The reason I made this Be Strong is because the Be Strong is a word for standing against bullying, to empower youth to be strong and be resilient against bullying. I found another website, it's called stopbullying.gov. You can check it out as well. I'm going to leave the descriptions of these websites on the description of this video. And in case you didn't know what bullying is, it's an unwanted aggressive behavior among school-age children that involves a real or perceived power imbalance. The behavior is repeated, or the potential to be repeated is high. Over time, both kids are bullied and who bully others may have serious lasting problems as well. There are different types of bullying: teasing, name calling, inappropriate sexual comments, taunting, threatening that cause harm. And there is also social bullying, which is leaving someone out of purpose, telling other children not to be friends with someone, not to speak to them, spreading rumors about someone, embarrassing someone in public. And physical bullying is hitting, kicking, pinching, spitting, tripping, pushing, talking or breaking someone's things, making rude hand gestures. And the way that how bullying can be prevented is by parents, school staff and other kind of adults that have a role to play preventing bullying. They can help kids understanding bullying, tag what bullying is and how to stand up to safety, tell kids bullying is unacceptable, make sure kids know how to get help. Keep the lines of communication open, check out with kids often, listen to them, know their friends, ask about school and understand their concerns. Encourage kids to do what they love. Special activities, interests and hobbies can boost the confidence, help the kids make friends and protect them from bullying behavior. Model how to treat others with kindness and respect. Once you finish coloring the lines, you let it dry for about 20 minutes. Make sure that it's completely dry, and then instead of painting the letters, you start covering the outside of the letters. So you leave those colors where the letters are. If you have any questions, suggestions or requests on what you want to see on this channel, let me know on the section below. Also, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. If you want to receive announcements for my next videos, don't forget to activate the bell. And for those who are subscribed, I want to thank you for your support. And my goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks. You can start with basic paints. You don't need nothing fancy, just a small set of brushes and just start painting. Start with something easy. I try to do these rocks so you can do them too. You can change them, you can do any other letters. Please feel free to use this design. And remember, if you've been bullied by someone, make sure to tell your teachers or your parents, any adult. And also be strong when you are weak, brave when you are scared, and humble when you are victorious. Don't become a bully either, because two wrongs don't make a right. And once I finished the letters, I started to paint some random stuff around it, dots, lines, swirls, of the same color where the lines are. And this is the last part that I did on the rock. I just highlighted the letters with black paint. And this is the rock just finished with a coat of resin. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.